What's up, everybody? My name is Darren Wong, and I represent the Kinjas. And welcome to my beginner breaking class, where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. All right, so the footwork move we're going to work on today is what I call a single leg kick out to the side and front. All right, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now and apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. All right, so for my students, I really just use this move to teach one, balance on a single leg, and two, how you can use opposition to create bigger pictures with your footwork. So for this one, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus on balancing on my left leg, and all I'm gonna focus on is my right leg going to the side, and I'm gonna lean away from it. So with opposition, I'm not trying to keep my balance here and just stick my leg out, but I'm trying to make my movement a little bit bigger by leaning away with my upper body. So as I put my right leg out, I'm reaching out to my left. Now from here, I want to bring it back to center, and this is where the front part's going to come in. I want my foot to go to the front, but instead of just staying here and doing this, I'm going to lean back just to make it a little bit bigger. So from the front here, I'm going to go to the side first. So I'm going to lean to my left arm, left, and then I'm going to come to the front and lean back, back. So again, creating that bigger picture, creating a bigger pull, creating an opposition with our body. All right, so once we understand that side, then we want to switch it to the other side. So same thing, as I put my left leg out to the left, I want to create opposition by leaning to the right. So I'm gonna put all my weight on my right leg. I'm gonna push my left leg out and lean to the left, creating this, lean to the right to create this bigger picture. I come back to center, and again, pushing my left foot to the front, I'm gonna lean back instead of just keeping forward. So notice that I'm switching my hands as well. So I'm going right arm and then left arm. So left leg goes out, I reach this way, come back to center, and I'm gonna reach with my left arm, reach to the back, and come back to center. All right, so once you have that down, now we're gonna try to put it together. So in your head, you wanna think you're using your left arm, your right arm, and then you're repeating your right arm and then going to your left arm. So think left arm, right arm, right arm, left arm. And then with your legs, you're keeping both on your right for the first two, both on your left for the second two. So starting with my right, this is gonna go out, left arm, and then front, right arm. And then from here, I'm gonna keep on my right arm, out to my left, come back, left arm, left arm. So this goes left, right, right, left. Again, left, right, right, left. All right, so now let's try to put it together with some counts. So we'll start with some whole counts first. So we'll do a slow version, and we'll speed it up with some and counts. So I'll turn to the diagonal just so you can see this a little bit better. So I'm gonna go out one, back two, out three, back four, and then repeat on the other side. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. Again, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so once you have that down, now let's try to speed it up with some and counts. So there's nothing wrong with using whole counts. I'm just going to give you a faster version we can do. So now I want to think 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So for now, your reset will be your neutral. That'll be your and counts, but there's no reason you can't do your and counts to the side. I'm just going to use whole counts to the side and the front. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. All right, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, go ahead and hit that subscription button right now, and also hit the notification bell so you're always notified when I drop tutorials just like this. All right, so key takeaways with this one, we're really focusing on creating opposition with our upper half and our lower half to make our movement look a lot bigger. Again, there's nothing wrong with just sticking your leg out to the side and to the front, but by leaning away from each one, creating that opposition and contrast, you're making your movement look a lot bigger. So that's the main thing to focus on with this one. Second one is, as always, I am always trying to reset to be sitting on my toes and not just flat-footed, right? So all fundamental things apply with our footwork. We're still not going back to our flat foot. Anytime your foot comes back in, we're still coming back to that neutral position. All right, so let me know down in the comments below what you liked about, what you learned from it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.